Hi, I'm Bob Godfroyd. Today we're going to cook steak with Savour Sous Vide cooking bags. Savour bags are designed to be fast, simple, and secure. Let's get started. We designed this bag to make it super easy to cook sous vide without any vacuum sealers or pumps. You don't need any other equipment, you just get going. We're going to cook a New York strip steak, but you can cook any kind of protein in our bags. Once you season your steak, go ahead and put it in the bag and close the zipper really securely. Our bags come in quart and gallon sizes, so you can choose which size bag you want to do depending on how much food you want to cook. Once the bag is closed, you're going to want to attach the orange snorkel to the blue fitting. A quart-sized bag will hold 2 or 3 steaks, and a gallon-sized bag will hold 4 to 6. And what we're going to do is just push the food underwater to let the water pressure squeeze the air out of the bag. If you just hold the orange snorkel above the surface of the water, all the air will come out through the snorkel, and the food will be sealed in the bag. After the air is squeezed out, go ahead and lift the fitting just above the water and replace the orange snorkel with a blue cap. When this clicks into place, you know your bag is sealed and you're ready to go. After about an hour in the sous vide bath, we're going to take out the steak and put it on a plate and let it dry off a little bit. You can use a paper towel to dry it off, or you can just let it sit there for a few minutes and go ahead and season it again, and we're going to sear it in a cast iron pan. So what I've done is heated up this cast iron pan very high, added a little bit of butter to it, and I lay the steak into the pan and start to sear the one side. If you want to add some more flavor to it, this is the time to throw on a clove of garlic and some rosemary. After about 30 seconds, and put the aromatics in, add a little more butter and start basting the steak with the butter. This will add some tremendous flavor to the steak and finish it off like you'd get in a restaurant. If you have different preferences for how much you like your steak cooked, you can adjust the time to cook it a little longer. If you cook about 30 seconds per side, you'll have a medium rare steak with the conditions that we cooked it at. But if you want something a little more well done, you can leave it in a little longer. But you can cook anything you want. You can cook pork, beef, or chicken, or even fish sous vide. It's very easy. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked steak that's crispy and delicious on the outside and medium rare on the inside, and it's all done in a Savour Sous Vide bag.